Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the second part of rendering hairstyles in fashion illustrations, in which I'll be teaching you 4 more hairstyles. You can check out the first part of this series to know about how I rendered these 4 hairstyles. So let's get started. So the first hairstyle that I'll be doing is a messy bun, and the medium that I'll be using are these artist watercolor cakes from Camlin. So I'll be giving it a golden shade, and the color that I'll be using is yellow ochre. First of all, I'll be giving it a nice base by mixing the watercolor in a large amount of water, and I'll give a very light base to it. So now I'll thicken the consistency of the watercolor and I'll start outlining my hair. You can see how I am outlining the hair, and also I'll be just leaving some part without the color for the highlights. Similarly, I'll color whole of the hair in the same way you can see in the video. The part of the hair where I am applying a thick consistency of the watercolor is the part where there will be shadows and rest will be the highlights. Now I'll make some loose hair strands, and now I have taken a pencil color of the darker shade and I'll be just outlining and deepening the shadows. So our messy bun is ready. So the next hairstyle is this French braid, and I'll be using this color pencil from Faber-Castell. So the braid which I did in the last video had a lot of details and it was comparatively thicker as compared to this one. So I'll not be doing much details in this one. So let me zoom in so that you all can see it clearly how I am rendering it. I'll be giving the shadows and highlights similarly as I gave in all the previous hairstyles. So this is the reference picture which I took for making this hairstyle, and you can see the highlights and shadows in this picture. You can take a screenshot of it for further reference. If you think I'm going too fast in this video, you can just adjust the playback speed. And you can see I'm not giving much details in this braid. So the hair on the head has been rendered and you can see the highlights and shadows. Similarly, I'll be coloring these 2 braids, and you can see I have not given much details. Now I'll take this black color pencil and I'll just deepen the shadows and make some loose hair strands to make it look natural. Now I'll take this 0.1 fine liner pen and again I'll give some outlines and make some loose hair strands. So this hairstyle is almost done, and you can make this hairstyle with casual wear illustrations. It looks really nice. So let's make one of my favorite hairstyles, that is a ponytail, and we'll be using these 2 color pencils. I'll start rendering by outlining the hair with a black color pencil. The hair in a ponytail are always tied in an upward direction, so I'll also make the direction of the strokes in the similar manner, that is towards the upward direction. And again I'll be making the highlights and shadows, as you can see. So according to the direction of the hair, now I'll be making these strokes towards the downward direction. This is a sort of hair in which I'll be mixing one more color. This is the magenta shade from Staedtler's, and I'll be just blending it with the black color, and I'll make the rest of the hair in the similar manner but with this color. Again, for making the highlights, I'll be just leaving some space as white so as to show that the hair is shining. Now I'll deepen the shadows, and again I'll be taking this black pencil and making some loose hair strands. So this hairstyle is almost done, just giving some finishing touches and some loose hair strands. So we are done with this hairstyle as well. Moving on to the last hairstyle for this video, we are doing the space bun. I'll be coloring it with a neon shade by using a highlighter. Again, we'll be making some strokes and leaving the middle area without it, so as to show that the middle region has highlights or it is shining. and we'll make it as messy as possible. You can see the buns. I have colored it very randomly. Now I have taken this pencil and I'll be just blending whole of it. Now I'll take this black color pencil and just give some loose hair strands. I hope it is making sense. I'm trying my best to explain you all. So if you have any questions related to any of the hairstyles, you can just ask me in the comment section of this video. So we are almost done with this hairstyle as well. So we have come towards the end of this video, and now we are only left with the last 4 hairstyles for the back pose, which I'll be doing in the next part of this video. So stay tuned to my channel. I'll be uploading the last part of this series very soon, and if you're trying out any of these hairstyles, do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your work and share them on my handle. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Bye.